AI is now helping scientists decode the mysteries of the deep ocean. Using advanced algorithms, AI-powered submarines can explore uncharted underwater territories, discovering new species and mapping the ocean floor like never before. In another fascinating development, AI is transforming mental health care by providing personalized therapy through chatbots. These bots analyze patient responses and offer tailored support, making mental health care more accessible. Lastly, AI is playing a crucial role in space exploration, helping to analyze vast amounts of data from distant planets. Stay tuned for more groundbreaking AI advancements.